I just found my favorite folding chair of the summer. I'm going to be using this all summer. I always thought I enjoyed those taller chairs that I could sit high in and have back support, but this is way more comfortable. It's way more inviting if I'm at a picnic or at a beach or at a concert, and it's super comfortable. It has these great armrests that feel really nice. They have this foam covering on them, so they just feel really good to lean back on. It has a cup holder that is held up above the surface, which is perfect if you're on a beach and you don't want the bottom of your drink to get all sandy. And then it has this umbrella that is completely adjustable. Not only can you clamp it wherever you want, either on an armrest on the back of the chair, but then you can spin it with a button to have it go back and forth. And then on top of that, the whole thing can twist wherever you need it to go, so you stay out of the sun. An absolute win.